Chapter 1, Data Entry, Basics of Computer. Summary of the chapter is computers play an important part in everybody's life. Their importance is so great. Without them, we could not be able to live the way we do. To appreciate this, look around you to see the sort of influences that these machines have on our daily lives. Computers seem to be capable of performing almost any task. The computer is used to assist man in business organizations, in research, and in many other walks of life. We will introduce you two different concepts in this book, but the basic one is that computers act upon information. This information this information this information of data comes in all shapes and sizes, from a mathematical equation to the required details about a company's workforce necessary to produce a payroll, or myriad of data needed to project an Apollo craft through space. What is a computer? Computer. A computer is any device capable of performing computations, making calculations. It performs a computation and produces an answer, but this is the little too simple and too broad to describe most of computers today. Today's computers can perform very complex calculations at extremely high speeds. The computers most people think of their desktops, desktop desktop computers, their laptops, or notebook computers are general purpose machines. A computer is a device that performs data. Data can be anything, like marks obtained in various subjects. It can also be your name, age, weight, height, etc. Computer can be defined in terms and its functions. It can, number one, accept data, number two, store data, in three, process data as desired, and last is retrieve the stored data as and when when required, and print the result in desired format. Number one is input devices. There are the variety of input units which are used by computers. The most commonly used unit of this type is keyboard. Keyboard. Special purpose units are magnetic ink, characters readers, optical mark readers, optical character readers, etc. The data entry devices are broadly categorized as under devices using optical media, optical mark reader OMR. These devices, these the, these devices recognize photoelectricity, the presence of a mark, but unlike card and paper tape readers, the mark is detected by reflected light and not by transmitted light. The data may be transmitted directly to a computer for processing or may be automatically recorded on another medium such as punched cards and or magnetic tape. An OMR detects presence or absence of a mark in the specific location. It is used for reading two types of data. First point is numerical data such as customer number or quantity and on order. Second point is simple indicative information such as defective or non defective. Okay, so students, thanks for watching. Bye bye, students.